Well, good morning, good morning. So today we're doing a ship visit, which is exactly what it sounds like. And I am in New Orleans. So ship visit is honestly just that. So it's a project that is going to get installed on board the ship in about 7 weeks from now. It's one that's coming together really quickly, and today I'm going to be visiting the ship just to look at everything and make sure that everything that we have planned according to the drawings and information we received from the ship is actually accurate. That includes scenic, audio, lighting, and there she is. And everything else that you can imagine to put on a show on board a cruise ship. So it's gonna be fun. So let's go. Wait, what do you do for cruise ships? Great question. So I'm a technical director for cruise lines, helping them install new production shows on board, more specifically whilst in operation. That means we do it when guests are still on board. Another cool thing that not a lot of people know, but most modern cruise ships have a shell door that is exclusively for entertainment purposes, and it allows us to load equipment straight into the back of the theater. So similar to like that one that they have over there to load like crew members, and then there's another one where they load luggage and food and provisions. We have one that's hidden, and it's right there. And this is what it looks like on the other side of the shell door. Basically, if you've ever been on board a cruise ship, you'll know that there's entertainment, and part of that entertainment is shows. So some of those theaters are like 200-seater dinner style theaters, and some of them are anywhere from like 800 to 1,200 seat, full-on musical Broadway-style production shows. Those are the ones that I specifically work in. In the audio booth. Control. Network patch bay. Video station. Lighting station. Projector. Stage manager station. So I help the cruise lines install those shows on board and make sure that they all work when it comes to all of the technical fun things. So sound, lights, video, scenic, all of the elements that you see on board a stage show. Pretty fun.